Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove YouTube from a device. Now it's a very easy process. So open any device that you want to remove the YouTube from, like for example your Google Chrome. Now you can use any device to remove YouTube from any other devices as well. Like for example you can use Google Chrome to remove your YouTube from your Android or iOS device, or from your TV or Mac. You can remove YouTube from mostly all of the devices. So the process is extremely easy. All you have to do is click on your profile, then click on Google account. Then after that, just click on the security panel right over here. Now, once in the security panel, just scroll down till the very bottom page, and over here you will have the option of your devices. Now, all you have to do is just click on manage all devices, and then right over here you will have the list of all the devices that your account is connected with. So let's say for example you want to remove your YouTube device from your Android phone. Click on the particular phone's name, as you can see right over here. Then you will have a lot of options, but the option that you're looking for is called signed out. So just simply pick this option, and then when you will click on that option, your Google account will be removed from that particular phone, and with that your YouTube account will also be signed out. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.